How to edge with a weed eater. One of the most attractive aspects of a well-cared-for lawn is the crisp, clean edges around the walkways. It is very expensive to purchase a motorized edger to create this sharp look. It is easy to achieve this look by using your weed whacker or weed eater to trim the grass that grows along the concrete walkways of your garden. Read on to learn more. Things you will need: mower, weed eater, broom. Mow the lawn with your mower and use the weed eater to clean up the grass that is growing around the posts or fences that you may have in your yard. Rotate the weed eater 90 degrees so that the rotation of the string is perpendicular to the ground. Move along the pathway of your walkway and use the string on the weed eater to trim the edge of the grass that overgrows the walkway. This will create clean, crisp edges along your walkway. Walk along the edge of your flower beds and use the string to cut and trim the border of the grass. Use the broom to sweep the grass off the walkway once you have finished edging. Tips: warnings. Always mow the lawn first. The edging of the lawn is the last step of your lawn care. You will need to extend the string on the weed eater more often than normal due to the abrasive nature of the concrete. As with any other task that may throw bits of debris into the air, always wear goggles to protect your eyes. Wear pants when performing the edging task. It will protect your legs if the weed eater throws something up.